Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video, and of course in today's video we will be checking out the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I'll always use it to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight, okay? But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, in the morning I did a special video about this particular indicator. If you have seen this video and you want to have access to the indicator, you can check the Telegram any time from now. You will see the download link right there. Okay, you should download it as quickly as possible before the link will be expired. Okay, so I will be sending it to the Telegram channel tonight. So if you have not done the right thing, kindly do it right away. Watch the video for you to know what to do. Do the right thing and you can have access to download it from the Telegram channel. Okay, so that is very important. So now let's go straight into what we have right here. So these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video will be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct at the moment, then you may have to check through the chart before you can follow up with the chart analysis. Okay, and as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minutes time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Okay, this had been on uptrend for a very long time. It got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it's when it pulled back right from there till it got to this support zone. Right from there it went back on an uptrend to break out above that same resistance zone, and right now it is ending the trade at the uptrend at this particular point. And of course right now it's going back on downtrend, so this is going to be selling more. So it's going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This had been on a very strong downtrend, got to this region, pulled back up, and of course went back down to try out the support zone, was unable to break out above it, so it went back on uptrend. Okay, but it was unable to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so it is pulling back at the moment, and once it is done with the pullback, it should go back into a buy trend to see if it will break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. It won't be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buy trend. Okay, so that is very important. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see the plane movement, okay, till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below this, so right now it's going back on uptrend, even though it's finding it difficult to break out above this resistance zone. So it will be trying it out again. Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to be buying more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500, and just the way we have seen it, this went on downtrend but got to the support zone, was unable to break out below its pullback, and of course tried it out again. It was still it was unable to break out below it, so it's pulling back at the moment. If it's unable to go beyond this resistance zone, then definitely it will be trying out the support zone again to see if it will break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then it will sell more. For now, it is still buying. It might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above that resistance zone. So it will go back on sell trend right from there if it's unable to break out above it. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Volatility 75. This is Volatility 75, and this had been on a very strong downtrend right from here. Just the way we're seeing it, it went on downtrend right from here, got to this region, went back on uptrend, and of course still came down again. Right now it is at the support zone. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out below that support zone. That is when it will go back on buy trend. So this is very, very important for us to take note of. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.